Students, let us learn lesson number 5, the 12 months. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Maracula, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. This story takes place in faraway country. A mother and her own daughter Helena and a stepdaughter means not her own daughter Maracula were living there. She liked her own daughter and hated means disliked stepdaughter Maracula because she was prettier, more beautiful than Helena. The gentle-hearted Maracula did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Maracula was gentle-hearted, means kind. She did not understand why her mother did not treat her well. So cross with her means her mother did not treat her well. Maracula had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Maracula every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. To get rid of her means they did not want Maracula to live with them in their house. And here are some list of the housework which was done by Maracula, like spinning, weaving, sewing, and all the other housework, that is cooking or tidying up the cottage. And Maracula did all the housework without any complaint. Even then, her mother and Helena scolded, abused. Abused means they used bad words, bad language to her, and they envy her. Envied means what? A feeling of discontented. Spinning is a process of converting fibers into thread, and weaving means the act of something, the act of weaving. Helena did not do any work but spent time in adorning herself, means she was trying to make more beautiful herself. And once they decided to throw Maracula out of the house even in freezing cold. Freezing cold means very cold weather. Go Maracula and get me some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. So Helena ordered her to bring violets, flowers from the forest. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Maracula. But it was not possible to get in the snow, as Maracula said to Helena. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. This word is threateningly. Helena threatened her, means to take unfriendly action against her, that was to kill her. She said if she would not bring violets, then she will kill her. The stepmother caught hold of Maracula, turned her out of the door, and slammed it to after her. Slammed means shut forcefully. She shut the door forcefully. The stepmother pushed her out of the door and shut it forcefully. Maracula went into the forest, weeping bitterly. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. Maracula wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Now Maracula had to go outside to collect violets, but it was freezing cold. So she started to cry, and she saw no human there as it was very cold. It was very cold weather. Because of wandering, means walking for so much time, and because of cold too, She was hungry and trembled. Tremble means to shake as a result of cold. When we feel cold or much cold, we start to tremble. At last, she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow, which came from the top of a mountain. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. Three of them had snow white beards. Three were not so old, and three were still younger. The three youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. Club means a stick. Then Maracula reached at the top of the mountain, where a big fire was burning, and 12 men sitting there. They were actually 12 months and they were sitting on 12 stones. The great January held a club, a stick. Maracula was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." Maracula was afraid. Frightened means she was afraid, and terror means she was afraid. But she collected some courage and she asked permission to them to warm her hands at fire. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" The Great January asked her a reason to come there. "I am looking for violets," answered Maracula. She told the reason why she was there, to get violets. "This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow," answered Great January. He told her that time was not of violets. "Yes, I know, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, please tell me where I can find them." She told them that she told the threatened to them by Helena and requested them to tell her the place of violets. Great January stood up and went to one of the younger months, it was March, and giving him the club, he said, "Brother, take the high seat." Now the Great January gave his club stick to month of March. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up. The snow began to melt. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up. Means what? When March sat on the high seat, the fire blazed up. It started to burn brightly and snow melted. And the ground, which was covered earlier with ice, it was melted and it now covered with grass, and the season is spring. It was springtime. Spring means the season which comes after winter. The violets began to bloom among their little leaves, and before Maracula had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. And there were so many violets on the ground that it looks like a blue cloth spread out on the ground, because as the color of violets was a like a blue cloth. Next page. "Now pick them quickly," Maracula commanded March. March ordered, commanded means ordered her to collect it quickly. Maracula picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. Scampered means with quick steps. Happily she took quick steps and reached home. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maracula bringing the violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of violets filled all the cottage. Helena and her mother could not believe that Maracula got the violets in that weather, and they were surprised. Where did you get them? Asked Helena sulkily. Sulky means what? With disappointed manner. She asked Maricula that where did she get the violets? They are growing under the bushes in a forest on the high mountains. Maricula told them that she got it on the high mountains. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Snatch means what? Took away forcibly. Helena took away all the flowers and did not give any flower to Maricula. The next day she called to her sister and said, "Go, Maricula, and get me some strawberries from the forest." Now she is asking Maricula to bring strawberries. "Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter?" said Maricula. Alas, it is a sudden feeling of sadness because Maricula was thinking that she won't get strawberries in that season. "How dare you argue? Go at once and get me strawberries or I will kill you." Now this time also Helena is threatening her to kill. The stepmother caught hold of Maricula and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Now the mother also helped Helena and pushed Maricula out of the house. Maricula went to the forest weeping bitterly. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. This time also Maricula was weeping. Weeping means crying bitterly. She was crying in a pain because she was told to bring strawberries which was not possible to get in that season, and this time also she is tortured by hunger and it was a very cold weather. But when she saw 12 months there, she was overjoyed. She became very happy. "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire." So she first asked permission to warm her hands. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come again and what are you looking for here?" The Great January asked her the reason to come there. "I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries, and if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them." She asked them that where she could get the strawberries, as her stepmother and sister threatened her to get it. Great January arose. He went over to the month sitting opposite to him. It was June, and handed the club to him, saying, "Brother, take the high seat." Arose means he stood up from his place. Great January stood up from his place and went to June and gave his club. June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up, and its heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green, the trees were covered with leaves, the birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. The starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. They ripened at once, and before Maricula had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though a red carpet had been spread on the ground. Taking the high seat, June waved the club and melted the snow, and it was the season of strawberries, ripened strawberries. Means the strawberries that are ready to eat. And those strawberries were seen on the ground, so there were so many strawberries and it looked like a red carpet on the ground. "Pick them at once," Maricula commanded June, and June ordered her to collect it. Now the next pages we will see in next video in part 2. Thank you.